to Call of Duty Warzone, recruit. Your mission is to fight for victory in this action-packed multiplayer experience, including Battle Royale and Resurgence. Let's start your briefing with Battle Royale, the classic fight to the finish. In Battle Royale, you'll be infilling onto a massive new battleground, Urzikstan. Drop away from enemies to safely grab weapons and gear, or head for hotspots like the train, where the competition is fierce, but the rewards are sweet. The aim is to win gunfights, outflank the enemy, and avoid the ever-encroaching toxic circle of gas. Be the last squad standing, and you'll truly earn victory. And don't worry, soldier, it's not game over if you get taken out. Instead, you'll head to the Gulag, where you'll face off against a single enemy. Come out on top, and you'll redeploy into the action. Beyond Battle Royale, there's also Resurgence. It's a lot like Battle Royale, but as long as one of your squad mates is alive, your squad has a chance to redeploy and stay in the fight. But don't get too relaxed, because as you close in on the end of the battle, Resurgence will deactivate, and you and your squad will only have one life to get the job done. Then there's cash. In Call of Duty Warzone, money can come in pretty handy. You can earn stacks of cash by hunting down crates, looting it from enemies, or completing optional jobs called contracts. You'll spend all that cash at buy stations, where you can re-enlist fallen teammates for another redeployment. You can also buy other critical gear, like a primary loadout weapon, or a loadout drop marker. Just be careful, the buy stations tend to be hotly contested. Stay alert and use your tactical map to choose your destinations carefully. Wait, go back a minute. Did we say you could buy a loadout? We sure did. And you can make it your own with custom weapons, equipment, and perks. Set up your tactical loadouts how you like it at the gunsmith in the menus before you drop in. And then, fight to improve them as you unlock more weapon attachments. In addition to buying your loadout, you can also earn your loadout other ways, like grabbing them from loadout drops, or assaulting strongholds that are occasionally active on the map. Whatever your method, a good loadout is critical to survival in Warzone. Alright, enough talk. Time to jump in, load up, and start racking up kills. We'll see you in the Warzone, operator.
Check your gear and weapons. We'll be deploying shortly. Prep time's over, now you deploy to the war zone.
Let's get that bird spinning. Finish up. We're airborne in 3. There you are. We got the green light. You're going to the war zone. Grab your gear and shoot. You're up in 3. Enemy activity will be high. Expect contact early and often.
Let's get this done. Resurgence. If you stay alive till time expires, you've secured redeployment. The more points you earn, the faster that clock's gonna tick. Enemy soldier incoming.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Dead sight.
Enemies deploy the counter UAV.
Be advised, enemies deployed a buy station. Enemies dropping into the AO. Time for vengeance. You're redeploying.
Hostile motor strike near your position.
Got gas moving in.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Max ammo.
You got a loadout drop inbound. Enemies dropping into the AO.
deploy the counter UAV. Hostile Guardian has been deployed.
You're back on station. Go get after it.
Hostiles deploy the Mosquito.
Gas is moving. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Stand by for redeployment. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. $25 remain. Solid work so far. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Gas is inbound. Enemy soldier incoming. Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices. Resurging. Go get your revenge. Enemies dropping into the AO. Resurgence has closed. No more second chances. Supply crates are restocked. Advise you load up now.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Yo 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 yo. زاد قدر.
You're
Oh.
losing ground. Move it. Less than 25, we're still standing. They hit us hard that time. Let's regroup and get back up there.
Adam ben mikrofonu açıp koyuyorum. اه اول ترى من اولهم Kayıt önü var rank. Задержка var. 5 minute'da 5 minute'imiz 5 second. Battle Royale. Quad. Tools. Battle Royale. Numa, benim üstüme. Metro. Ne oynattırabilir? Pink bile.
Use this time for some target practice. Real thing's coming soon.
나는 автоматтан мындай болып қалды
Dropping
сен
into the area. Watch the skies.
сайласын просто автомат болды. білмеймін сол тынығым істеп отыр ғой. Мына экраны разрешениесі.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Битрейттен ба экран разрешение ма түсінбедім.
All stations, green light. We are deploying to the war zone.
Let's get that bird spinning. Finish up. We're airborne in 3. Gang's all here. Word came down. We are green to go. So gear up and grab your chutes. We're going to the war zone. Enemy activity will be high. Expect contact early and often.
Let's get this done.
그래서 무릇 болды 이제 короче. Кеше ойламыз ғой. Жада не кейстен, не дроптан автомат алсам. Снайпер берген жоқ. Жаңа баста 2 автомат берді. Бірақ шығып тұрмады снайпер не зат деп. Бірақ қолыма басқа автомат берді. What the fuck is going on?
It's just a waste of the time.
Fuck you.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
What's she yelling? Ja, Astro. Looks dynamite.
You're getting another chance. Make it count.
Hostile mosquito is online. Hostiles deploy the mosquito.
We picked up the trail of an HVT nearby. Locate and terminate the target. Enemy soldier incoming.
Hostile mosquito is online.
Gas is closing in.
Akşaz.
Hostiles deploy the mosquito.
Vay.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Ağlarsın biri. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Loadout drops on the way. We are returning you to the front. Earn this. Five are left. Stay sharp out there.
What?
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying.
Nara.
You're losing ground. Move it.
Erkeğin ağzına.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Hostile Mosquito is online.
Enemies dropping into the AO. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted.
Bu şişe alayım. Задачка var senin ayt puanı mı ulti olmalı.
Resurging. Go get your revenge.
Vur. Bir daha.
Run of 25 remaining. Failure ain't fatal. It's just an opportunity to
Nasıl
do
kötü
better.
vatan gerek?
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
Call of Duty World War II 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. YouTube sorry. Ağzına şıkkıt. Sorry. YouTube sorry. Evet.
Gear up fast, we're about to get evil. Enemy soldier incoming. All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
Prep for dust off. We're up in 3 mics. Let's move. There you are. We got the green light. You're going to the war zone. Grab your gear and shoots. You're up in 3. You are cleared hot on all threats. Watch your ass down there.
Let's roll. Resurgence. Survive the timer to secure redeployment. Earn points to speed up the countdown. Time for vengeance. You're redeploying. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
upgrade online.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
오이다가
Stand by for redeployment.
Jasne ciś.
Hostile mortar strike near your position.
You're losing ground. Move it.
Hostile airstrike near your location. Hostiles deploy the mosquito.
Could use some shotgun shells.
Enemy soldier incoming. You're getting another chance. Make it count.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Loadout drop headed your way.
Hostile Guardian has been deployed.
Gas is closing in. We are returning you to the front. Earn this.
Hostile Guardian is active.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Only 25 remain. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. You're back on station. Go get after it. Enemies dropping into the AO. You got gas moving in. Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Enemies deploy the counter UAV.
Resurging. Go get your revenge. Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end game. Supply crates are restocked. Advise you load up now. $25 remained. They hit us hard.